Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. One of the companions of Prophet ﷺ said that Prophet ﷺ forbade me to recite the Holy Quran while bowing and prostrating, and said that while bowing glorify Allah as much as you can, and while prostrating ask Allah for as many supplication as you can. In this video, I'm going to discuss few of the du'as which you can read in your sujood to make your salah more beautiful. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. This one is very common among the Muslim, and most of the people read this dua in their salahs. The meaning of this dua is: Glory is to my Lord, the Most High. And the second dua is Subhanakallahumma Rabbana wa bihamdika Allahumma ghfirli. The meaning of this dua: Glory is to you, O Allah, our Lord, and praise is yours, O Allah, forgive me. And the third one is Subuhun Quddusun Rabbul Malaikati war Ruh. The meaning of this dua: Glory to you, most holy are you, Lord of the angels and the spirits. And the next dua is Subhana zil jabruti wal malakuti wal kibriyai wal azamati. And the meaning of this dua is: Glory is to you, Master of power, of dominion, of majesty and greatness. And the second last dua is Allahumma inni a'udhu biradhaka min sakhatika wa bimuafatika min uqubatika wa a'udhu bika minka la uhsi sana'a alayka anta qama'a atnaita ala nafsika. The meaning of this dua: O Allah, I seek protection in your pleasure from your anger. I seek protection in your forgiveness from your punishment. I seek protection in you from you. I cannot count your praises. You are as you have praised yourself. And the last dua is Allahumma ahfirli zambi kullahu دقه وجله وأوله وآخره وعلانيته وسره. The meaning of this dua: O Allah, forgive me all my sins, great and small, the first and the last, those that are apparent and those that are hidden. Dear brothers and sisters, these were some of the du'as that you can recite in sujood. There are many other prayers that you can recite, or you can also pray for yourself personally, as Arabic language is compulsory for making dua during prayer. But if you don't know Arabic, then you can pray those duas in your heart. May Allah make us prayerful and accept. May Allah make us prayerful and accept our duas and prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.